Two-factor authentication, not working on ProRealTime App Fix. If your two-factor authentication isn't working on the ProRealTime app, don't panic. This problem is common among traders, especially after updates or when switching phones. The good news is it's usually easy to fix once you know what's causing it. Start with your phone's date and time settings. Make sure Set Automatically is enabled. Two-factor authentication codes depend on precise timing, and even a few seconds of difference between your phone and ProRealTime servers can cause the code to fail. Next, open your App Store and check for ProRealTime updates. If the app hasn't been updated recently, that could be the problem. Updates often include security fixes that help keep authentication in sync. Once updated, restart the app and try again. If you use an authenticator app such as Google Authenticator, Authy, or Microsoft Authenticator, open it and find sync time for codes. Tapping this option realigns your code generation with the correct time. If your verification method is SIMs and you're not receiving the code, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data and make sure NoVIN is active. Sometimes, SIMs delivery can be delayed or blocked by your network or VAN. If that still doesn't work, uninstall and reinstall the ProRealTime app. This clears any corrupted login or security data and forces a fresh connection to the authentication servers. After reinstalling, set up two-factor authentication again inside your account settings. If you've changed phones or lost your authenticator app, use the Can't Access Two-Factor link on the login page. ProRealTime support team will help verify your identity and restore your access safely. Once you've synced your time, updated your app and verified your settings, your two-factor authentication should work again. Keeping it active is key to protecting your trading account because one quick fix today can prevent a serious security issue tomorrow.